Hey everyone, I want to share some 3D modeling tips for beginners, from one newbie to another newbie. I've been dabbling in 3D modeling for about 6 months now, on and off, with my own designs and modifications, and before that I knew absolutely nothing. And I won't teach you here how to model, but what you should do to learn how to model. If you want to learn the techniques, there's an awesome playlist from Teaching Tech, 3D design for 3D printing tutorials. And if you go through this list, in about 1 or 2 or 3 days, you will know the basics of Onshape and how to model. But I want to give you another tip. That is, try to design something that you can actually find in printables, but it's easy. So if there's something that you need, and it's readily available on printables, but the form is quite simple. So for instance, this small furniture foot, which I needed, and there are plenty of these online, but I thought, well, let's use this as an opportunity to learn. It's quite simple. Some rectangles, some extrusions, some chamfers or fillets, some holes. So this is a good example of something that is readily available on printables or thingiverse, but that is simple to model. So this is a great opportunity for you to learn how to model stuff. So for instance, I needed this hammer hook for a multiboard, and there are some available, but I thought, okay, this is a good opportunity to learn how to do it. So I designed this one and another one, and I actually uploaded them to printables. So there's like 300 people that actually downloaded the model I made. So try to think about that, those stuff that are not too complex at the beginning for you to model. And instead of downloading the model, just think about what you need and try to model it yourself. And after some experiences, you might be able to design things that actually fit exactly your needs. So for instance, I needed a fan duct to extract hot air from here at the top and throw it out a very specific shape at the bottom of a cabinet. So I designed this around the measurements from my cabinet, and I put in all the features I needed. So I needed a place for the fan here. I needed the airflow to go in the right direction. So there are kind of some chamfers on this side. I needed a place to put a screw in. So I did this in this particular way also, kind of to consider the best airflow. So this is what you are able to achieve after just some weeks of trial and error and practice. And the best way to start practicing is with something simple, like a furniture foot. And you move on from there. So the next time you need to print something and it's readily available on printables, think about it. And if it's simple enough, instead of just downloading it, try to model it yourself. And after some time, you are able to model stuff that fits exactly your needs, like this fan duct or this hook system here I built for my window. So that's it. A tip from a newbie to another newbie. I know it's very easy to just search what you need and download it, but think about the opportunities you have to model something simple and get the experience, model something that is much more complicated. That's it for today. I hope this helps you in any way or form. And if you want more tips from a newbie to another newbie, just leave a like, subscribe, or comment below. Thank you very much.